బేబీజీ వారి సంక్రాంతి పంపర్ ఆఫర్ అమరావతి వెంచర్స్ లో ప్లాట్ పై ఫ్రీ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ లక్కీ కస్టమర్ కు ప్లాట్ కొంటే ప్లాట్ ఫ్రీ షరతులు వర్తిస్తాయి.
శరత్ చంద్రికా తేజయామిని నిలోత్పలనివే మందగామిని.
And learning Telugu, ఇది bus fire accident,
Oh,
passenger
come on.
list, travels booking లో inquiry
తెలుగులో
చేసాం.
మాట్లాడరా అండి?
Shooting on the scenes of Hyderabad in the old gullies, beating up the gundas. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे दे निसार, किसी का प्यार ले सके तो ले चुका, जीना इसी का नाम है. Hi, I'm actress Sheena, wishing you all a very happy Sankranti. Do join the Kite Festival on the 16th, 17th and 18th, sticking to your roots and the amazing festivity, and have lots of fun, lots of love.
Welcome to Suman TV. I'm your host Neha, and I have got today something really versatile. I love the way she welcomes me. It's none other than Sheena Chauhan. Well, it was really a proud moment to welcome you in Hyderabad. And I'm the one who's doing her first Telugu interviews.
True,
So you
that's
have
true.
to keep coming now. Telugu is now, the starting has started. Like I think
Absolutely.
the journey has started.
Done.
So Sheena, welcome to Hyderabad. And I want your first, emotions and memories when you visited to Hyderabad city.
So my first memory of Hyderabad is working on my character Anusha in the upcoming film. I landed here and I was doing the look test for this cop role. I'm actually a martial arts brown belt, and the cop role demanded me as an action role. So I remember we went and we did this look test, and it was really fun and amazing. And I think that my main memory is the fact that I really worked hard to create this character, working with G.D. Chakravarti, shooting on the scenes of Hyderabad in the old gullies,
Wow.
beating up the gundas, those tall gundas, Telugu, and learning Telugu. Idi bus fire accident,
Oh,
passenger
come on.
list, travels booking lo inquiry
తెలుగులో
chesam.
మాట్లాడరా అండి? తెలుగు అమ్మాయి.
So I really, really enjoyed my work here, and I'm very excited about my next character with the, Jatsamaranam Dhruvam, and that is my first memory of Hyderabad.
So what have you learned in Telugu? Tinnava, Bhavnara andi, Kuchuvandi. That is because you will be on the sets and everybody is speaking in Telugu. Is GD sir has tried to make you learn something?
No, he hasn't.
No, nothing.
No, he's a very good Hindi speaker, English speaker, but I learned my lines. I had to do it with a coach. See,
Okay.
I'm a Sardarni
Okay.
from Chandigarh, who grew up in Calcutta, and now I live in Bombay. So for me and I'm 5 years of theatre I started with. So I had to learn a lot of things in theatre, discipline, commitment to craft, and with that comes learning any language. My next film is also a Tamil film, so I have to work on the language. It doesn't come naturally to me.
So what's your role? You told that it's something action oriented, something, very strong role. So I just want, like on the set, something has happened, like something good memories or other actors you can talk about who are collaborating with you. You're working with them.
The best memory, I have on the set is that I remember eating the most yummiest food. I
What
have
was
to
that?
say, Hyderabadi food is just from kebabs
I can
to
see in her face.
my mouth is watering because the Hyderabadi food is the best food in the world, especially the kebabs and all the cuisines that they had. So that was amazing, and the producers took very good care of us, and we were very well taken care of, and just really enjoying working in the community, in the culture with the makeup artists, the assistants, the team. That was my best.
So
favorite
who are the
memory.
other actors are in this film?
There is J.D. Chakravarti, there's Sirat Kapoor, and Naresh Agastya.
Okay, so you had a great time, I think.
Yeah, Lavanya is also there. There's some very interesting other characters also, like
Okay.
Preeti Jangyani,
Okay.
Hiten Tejaswani, and a lot of interesting Bombay characters are there. So you'll see.
It's a pan-India movie, we can
Yes,
say.
it's a pan-India movie, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada.
And
all.
your first Telugu movie.
My first Telugu movie.
favorite. You got your actually a favorite role, we can
Yes,
say that.
yes.
So what about your other things, when it comes to your past journey? Like, you have actually, it is your first in Telugu, but you have created a big mark. We talk about the Bengal cinema, Tamil cinema. You started your journey with Tamil that Mammootty sir. We would like
Malayalam.
Malayalam. So we want you, if you can elaborate on that, your first project, how you got it.
So I did 5 years of theatre. After that, I debuted with Mammootty in the South with Jayaraj. That was my first film with seven-time national award-winning director in Malayalam. Then I did 2 films with Buddhadev Das Gupta, Mukti and Patralekha. That was it traveled across all the festivals. It was a Bengali, English, Hindi film. Then after that, I did my first independent international film called Anne Story. It was on Netflix, and I played a actress in that and as a lead. And it was an amazing experience because I was nominated Best Actress at the Shanghai Dubai Film Festival. So I did that, and after doing my first independent films, I got a lot of work in different web series like Kajol ke saath mein The Trial, Fame Game, Madhuri Dixit, and I did a comedy series in X-Mates. And then this last year, 2025, I got my first Hindi film called Sant Tukaram, and I debuted in Bollywood in Hindi with Sant Tukaram playing Abli Jijabai. And now I am doing my Telugu film, then I have a web series, I'm playing Lilith. I'm just signed on my next Tamil film with Ilayaraja and Jemon, who did PS2 with Aishwarya Rai. So a lot of good things are coming and I'm very, very excited about it.
But I wanted to know about your first project when you were getting about, Malayalam and the language sometimes hits you. How am I going to perform? And anyway, you are a artist. So what was going in your mind and how was your first day with Mammootty sir? I mean, some interaction, and after that, what relation you made with each other? Like,
Yeah, I think that for me, the most important thing is to really understand and fit into the characters that are given to me. And with that, because I've done 5 years of theatre, I had learned a lot about discipline, commitment to character, researching, understanding your craft. So when I get a role, whether it be Malayalam, I have to work very hard at it because it's the language. And I'm a Sardani from Bathinda. I have grown up in Calcutta. I was born in Chandigarh. So my North Indian and then Calcutta is there. So South was a new
Genre for you,
complete
yeah.
genre. And of course there are challenges.
yes.
But because I love acting, I love what I do, and I put my heart and soul into it, I think that I just gave it my 100% best. Mammootty sir was very, very down to earth. He absolutely made me comfortable. We were like friends on set. I mean, I was very nervous because I was like, oh my God, I'm working with Mammootty, and people had like really, scared me, ke Mammootty. But he's a very down to earth person. He's very dedicated, very professional. So I learned about professionalism, what is professionalism, and how to enjoy your work.
So you enjoyed the food? Like he introduced you his culture or food or something?
I enjoyed the food in Kerala. We had amazing food when we were shooting in Kerala. We shot in Bombay and Kerala. And South Indian food is the best.
Yeah, all over the world.
Seriously, no?
So if we talk about your last year, it was fantastic year, 2025. Do you believe in making some resolution? How you see this 2026 for you and your past 2025 if you have to compare it?
2026, first of all, my resolution is to be happy.
Very good.
And to spread happiness, because if you don't have that, nothing else matters. To work with good people, to work with people who are passionate in telling good stories, to choose characters that uplift, entertain and inspire, but also allow me to be able to bring out my potential and share it and contribute to my stories. And that is the kind of work that I have coming up, honestly. Like in Jatsamaranam Dhruvam, I'm playing a cop opposite J.D. Chakravarti.
Suddenly actions is you come to traditional.
Yeah.
So variations
Yeah.
we can see.
Then I'm playing a she-devil in my web series in Bhayava. I play Lilith. Lilith was an iconic character. She was a devil. She was Adam's first wife who was banished from the Garden of Eden for fighting for equality, which is also within me because I fight for human
Negative,
rights.
positive, all characters. You're ready
Yeah.
for it. Bravo.
And the best thing about 2026, I'm working with the director Vino and Ilayaraja, musician, legendary musician, my Tamil debut, and the preparations are going to begin. I need to do stick fighting. I need to learn Telugu. I need to learn martial arts. I'm a singer, but I'm also a stick fighter.
Okay.
And it's an amazing story in the folk tales of, the villages of Tamil, that kind of genre. So it's a very exciting year because what else does an actor want, Neha?
But now you're coming as to the South zone,
Yeah.
So is any kind of you have watched the movies or you want to give a compliment to you, to yourself, when you're free, you wanted to, yeah, aaj Telugu movie dekhenge, So recently, what Telugu movies have you watched and the actors you really want to compliment them? And future, you never know, you must be working with them.
South films are today one of the best films in the country. Bollywood is looking up to South now. You can see that. South has become pan India. South is setting a trend. South is RRR is what took us to the global map.
Bahubali. That
Bahubali. Um, Bahubali. My whole point is that there's so much potential in the South, and the people are very rooted. They're rooted to their culture. They're rooted to the tradition. That stories which they are telling, and I want to be a part of those stories. I want to work with those filmmakers in the South. Honestly, that's what I'm most looking forward to, more than Hindi.
Okay, so who is your favorite? You're waiting to work with.
Of course, Mani Ratnam.
Oh wow.
Sir, and of course Rajamouli sir. But I'll be honest with you, I love the film Court and the director
Okay.
Ram. You know, in fact, I'll be probably meeting him also. And the idea is to collaborate with upcoming good filmmakers. You know, there are some top people I admire, but you know, Neha, now a lot of good filmmakers are also coming up with great stories.
true.
So I'm looking for great characters, whether it be an upcoming amazing filmmaker or it be an established. For me, it's about the great story director and the character.
So who's your favorite actors? You have loved working with them, or you have met,
My favorite actor I have worked with.
worked with, or like in South, like you know, recently you met him and you want to compliment his work. You said, "Wow, I love the work."
Prabhas is somebody I look forward to.
Oh wow.
Here, of course, and Prithvi Raj, of course, in Malayalam, and Rajnikant in, of course, Tamil. But if you say like one, it becomes very difficult. Amir Khan, of course, we look forward to him because he's such an amazing actor. He's so professional. He's so dedicated to his craft.
So I mean, you met anybody of them, or like had some moment, or you know, journey?
I have
recently?
met Rajnikant recently at IFFI. He
Okay.
had come there. He was the Lifetime Achievement Award
Yes,
winner. I
yes.
was at IFFI, Rajnikant ji. And I have not met Prabhas. I have not met Prithvi Raj. Hopefully one day I will get a chance to work with them. Let's see. And mainly just for me, it's, you know, I think that these are legends and gods like Rajnikant. And there's so much to learn from them. So, yeah, you never know. Tomorrow I might be working and then we'll be doing an interview and
you
we'll be
can.
talking about that.
your role, you know, your talent zone we will be talking about. And there's so many actresses, you know, from like same they started the journey and they're doing well. So you just have seen their work and you want to like compliment, or you met them, something type you can talk about.
I really look up to actors who are
Actresses
doing
recently,
actors.
yeah.
I mean, we call actors usually
Actors,
I refer
yeah,
to as
female.
female male. The simplicity is who are playing great characters. You know, there is a lot of people I admire. Like in India, of course, there's Vidya Balan is there.
yeah.
Madhuri is Sri Devi. She is the icon,
Yeah.
my favorite. And internationally, there's Zoe Saldana, Viola Davis, and Kate Winslet. For me, I look up to actresses who, you know, their versatility. Look at the range. That's super exciting, inspiring.
So I think more of the role that like it will justify after doing this Telugu movie, you will be like more of an action-oriented heroine, not the simple zone. So next, what step you would be looking forward if you get a good role or something comes on your pipeline for Telugu?
I'm very open. I don't have any set. I'm looking for the role. Usually roles, as much as I attract roles, roles attract me. I'm a brown belt in karate, so yes, I love martial arts. I've trained in martial arts for 5 years.
Okay.
Then I'm into a lot of fitness and stuff. So I
Okay.
like training. I'm also a contemporary dancer. I'm a violinist. So wherever I can bring my skill and contribute to the character and bring that to life. I like playing versatile characters. So something that allows me to perform, to be able to bring depth. And you know, as a female, as a woman, I think it's very important to be able to look at a woman as a whole, as a complex being, and not just decorations on a Christmas tree. So I want to play characters which show women in their whole complex, layered form, as a human being, as somebody who's empowered, not as victims who are fighting for some kind of, you know, like I understand that has been a struggle in India. I saw my mother go through that. That's why I took up human rights.
Yes. Okay. So I just wanted, Sheena, you've always been a versatile actor, doing everything, but in real time, what is your favorite movement? Like, we'll go a little bit past, you know, as you're into karate, action. Is there any memory you have? You actually hit it somebody or, you know, used your skills or something you like, inspiration way, you know, you have done it. You have not just taken it for granted. Arey bol ke gaya, chala gaya. No. Is anything happens like you have actually gone back and said, "Bhaiya, ऐसे don't dare to talk like this." Did you did in something in real life?
Yeah, two ways. One was when I was doing karate. I remember we used to be always paired up with boys.
Okay.
So I had to completely beat them up और जो अच्छे से अपने chops देता था with the proper discipline, with the martial arts technique.
Okay.
So I've done it with a lot of boys. I've had to do it at a state champion level. With regards to fighting up and speaking up, I'm a human rights ambassador for the United Nations Human Rights, and I have reached out to 150 million people with the message of human rights. I won the Hero Award at the United Nations for human rights. So I feel that as a voice, I'm here to speak up, and I want to represent the voices of all the women of my country so we can stand up for what our rights, because if you don't know your rights, you can never stop it from being violated. I really feel the best fight you can do is to speak up,
Yes.
to say no,
Yes.
to stand up, to stick to your integrity, and really, fight back. Because the real price of freedom is constant alertness and willingness to fight back.
Right.
You
That
have
is
to
true.
fight back, because people are going to suppress you. They're going to put you down. You have to fight, get out of all that noise and find that one spark of hope and be like, no,
Yes,
I'm going
I'm
towards
going
that
to
hope.
do
I'm going to do it. I'm going to, and just continue to do whatever your purpose in life is. You want to do, just stick to that.
That's really the way you have come up now. I think action dose actually suits you, I must say.
Beware.
Yes, that's a great pose. So if you're not an actor, then what you will be? The second option, or this was your second option, or first option was something else?
No, never.
Ever you wanted to
I
be
was
an
a baby, 2 years old, and my masters were all theatre actresses. And I went on stage as a baby. I think I knew I wanted to do acting, but of course, in college and
Wow.
school, I was doing drama and all of that. Only when I did theatre, then I realized I want to act. And Neha, after that, there was no
So
looking
there
back.
was no dream
Never.
of becoming
Never.
doctor, teacher,
Never.
or something.
Never.
Nothing.
Never.
Means actor.
Actor.
That's it.
Yeah, no option.
No option in life.
No
No,
option.
second option
No.
in life.
And have fun being an actor, and stick to my heart, my instincts, and say no, and choose and go after the roles that inspire me, that I want to contribute to. So it's been quite a journey. It's been quite a journey of finding my own path, my own voice.
Yes.
Like, it looks very glamorous at this moment, but it's taken me a lot
Lot.
without a godfather to really stick to, this is my purpose, this is what I'd really like to do, and to find my own journey. I've had my own journey. Everybody has their own journey.
True.
And hopefully, let's see, it is an exciting one in 2026. I want to enjoy it. I want to have fun.
So what love means for you? How
Love-
do you define love?
Love for me is not gazing at each other, but it's looking together in the same direction.
Wow.
It's inspiring each other to achieve our goals. It's uplifting each other every single day. Whether it be two people who are best friends and are in love, or it be your partner you're in love with, love has to always uplift you,
That's true.
It has to somehow contribute to your life to make it better. Right?
True. I love this. So what three things you want to end up by saying to a message to yourself first? Because people give message to others.
Yeah.
So first we should give message to ourselves and then to others. So what three messages you give every day to yourself to boost your energy or motivate yourself?
So the first message I give myself is believe in your dreams, because only when you believe in your dreams do they come true. And dream big, have a vision of your life that's bigger than, anything that you can imagine big, dream big, and just go all out and achieve it. When I did my film Sant Tukaram, I played this character, and the film was about this man who was fighting in the society towards suppression, because he was a saint, and I was his wife, and the whole fight was that he used to create miracles, and his message in the film was believe in your dreams. And he gave that to people, and he fought for it, and how then that was like, believe in miracles and it will come true. Believe in your dreams, because when you believe in them, they do come true.
Wow, that's a great manifestation. One song, you're a good singer. You want to end up with the song.
I'm a good singer. No.
Or your favorite song, which when you're like in your relaxed mood, and your favorite one. You don't need to be professional, it comes by heart, right?
My favorite song is this song by Kishore Kumar, which is किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे दे निसार, किसी का प्यार ले सके तो ले चुका जीना इसी का नाम है.
Wow, that was super. We had a beautiful starting, we had a beautiful ending. So we'll let you go and more projects to you, and the series will start off interview. Welcome to Telugu cinema.
Thank you.
It's a welcoming interview. So thank you so much, Sheena. You were very nice to us and we had a great time. I think keep meeting more and more.
Done.
Okay? Yeah. So for more updates, keep watching Suman TV. Till then, goodbye.
Please watch our film Jatsam Maranam Dhruvam and enjoy it and tell us what you think about the movie. I play Anusha, a cop in that. There's JD Chakravarti, Sirat Kapoor, Naresh Agastha, Lavanya, directed by Shravan Joneda and produced by Shivakumar Malkapuram. So yes, all my love, and I'm looking forward to my Telugu debut, Jatsam Maranam Dhruvam.